na yun.
The question is,
Okay, so fast forward ko lang yung part na to. Ay, hindi na pala pwede.
Maglalaro tayo na yun ng World Street Dad.
Kasama ko ang kuya ko.
Part 3.
First time ko mag-upload sa account na to ng hindi MM2. So, pag
Okay.
kilala niyo ako.
Skip natin to. Okay guys. Magpapak tayo ng mga gamit.
This place looks absolutely dope.
Tagal naman ng dad.
Oo nga, mas mabilis pa mag-computer. Mabilis pa nga.
Okay, tagal na. Para mabilis, mag-stamina na tayo. Maganda tayo ng mga gamit.
Fried garlic,
And dapat mabilis lang
bunch of
tayo.
spices and chili powders and stuff. Toothpicks, essential. We have a full
Tara,
selection.
Okay, let's go.
Cutting board and a nice knife to cut your seed, the bouillon, which is
Tara,
native,
maggayos
great.
tayo.
Lemon
Bilisan
seed.
niyo
We've got
maggayos.
fish sauce for the table. We have
Okay,
different types
go.
of vinegars. And then the third
Okay.
station here is all your soy
Breathe.
umami. On the top here, we've
Mag-stamina
got all their
tayo.
different chili sauces. We've got your sweet chili sauces and your Tabasco, and then your soy sauce and vinegar. So it's pretty insane. You know, they always say sausawan is probably the most personal thing to the Philippines, but it really comes down to how you like to make it.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna go.
Bilisan niyo mag-pack ng things. Baka maiwan tayo.
Okay, dito naman tayo.
Tanya, ay Tanya.
Go
Tanya.
look at the
O di ba magdaro si Tanya nito?
It's the most insane thing I've ever seen in my life.
Natutulog na ba sila?
Kailangan ko ng gastan.
Ito po katagal niyo mag-pack.
Chicharon can mend a broken heart and a broken spirit. We are yet to be broken.
Itong
This
isa,
time there
nawala na
is
yung isa.
something
Nag-leave na ata siya.
Na,
we're
don't
trying
sleep
for the
me.
first time.
Kaya kami na lang dalawa.
Our
We need to pack
Mumbai
as
is
much
back.
as possible kasi
We also call it
sa huli kong laro nito, hindi ako nagre-record. Pero nakapag-pack ako ng mga unti lang kasi ako lang mag-isa naglaro nun.
They love this guys here.
Nandito pala yung ano,
Little
yung...
nuts and bitterness to the food. I really am.
Nandiyan ka pala, asan ka nagpunta?
And the pinapao. Umami flavor.
Tumulong ko sa pagpapak.
Classic.
Napakaunti na nga lang ng time natin eh.
I'm never gonna get tired of it. There are people with trust. Very different. Nice and fruity almost. And sour. And spicy. May calamansi dito. Ah. So it's calamansi inside. Nice. It gives a nice freshness to it. Give it on squid. Mmm. Nothing different. Not too chewy, right down, right on flavor.
Okay.
And I love that.
10 PM na.
All these three dishes
Pero madami pa akong pinak nung nakaraan na ano.
using coconut milk.
Okay. Dahil pinaka-importante yung noodles, yun na lang.
Very distinct in flavor.
Tapos yung gas can.
There's a finesse to it, which is always what kind of surprises me when I go to certain places.
Grabe, nung naglaro ako kanina, may nakita ako gas can sa ano? Sa labas.
Nakaramdam gaskan.
It's not a flavor, but the structure. The best.
Okay, water naman.
Bar from Sorsogon.
Boom! Tagal!
We never featured it really as its own
Okay.
province, but we won't have time to do this time. But who says
Okay na
that?
tayo. Sana enough naman tong mga pinak natin.
So we'll go back to
Tagal natin
Dubai.
nag-pack.
Maybe
Shadowin na,
Pili, maybe
shadowin na
Surfing
natin yung pinto, yung mga ilaw. Kasi alsa tayo.
We don't
Mabakasyon na tayo.
Okay, hindi natin kumayon.
Okay, skip natin. May gas can dito. Mysterious gas can. Kuhanin natin. Sana hindi natin nakuha. Sige, skip ko muna to. Okay, nandito na tayo. Sa ating destination. Sa ating
I guess hindi
destination. Kasi destination na tayo. Ba tayo na bumaba? Basta. Ito wala ko.
No one's immune to hair salts. Nine gets its daily dose of
Oh my gosh, skip na natin to. Hindi
Guaranteed.
natin may skip yun. Skip na natin. Okay guys, nandito na
Okay
tayo.
guys, na-skip na namin to.
Tara. Wait lang, magtipid tayo. Sige, skip na natin yung part na to. Doon na tayo sa part na ako yung naging captain. Okay, nandito na tayo. I-drive mo yung boat. Kapag tumama tayo sa sa iceberg, kasalanan mo yan. Kaya natin magtipid.
Okay, ikaw na lang, no drive.
Ay, nako.
Okay.
Okay, ako yung magiging captain for today's video. Captain Hubby.
Captain R. Captain R.
Okay, nawawala yung
The next morning, they told us
Kapag malapit na mag-end,
Before I shoot.
wait lang.
let's
Bago maubos yung generator, kumuna kayo ng gasoline.
bye.
Nga pala. Kapag wala kang ginagawa, mag-sleep na lang kayo dyan.
Ingat sa biyahe.
Listen to the generator!
Bad boys. Go, Julius.
Meron na ako.
Yan, okay na, go na.
Kakain muna ako.
So the
Okay,
first time
ako muna
ever
magdadrive.
in teaching.
Wait lang ba?
Ano nangyayari? Uy, kailangan kumain! Kailangan ko kumain!
Mamamatay na ako.
No!
Not our fault. Out of our hands.
Namatay na kayo pareho kung na natitira.
So,
Okay, namatay na yung mga kasamaan ko. Mga kapatid ko ata yung mga kasamaan ko.
we have rescheduled.
Namatay na sila kasi nagutom sila.
If you do watch the videos to the end,
36 miles pa lang tayo sa ating shore. And 500 miles sa sa pupuntahan namin.
Oh my God!
Okay, may iceboard.
People's schedules have to change. You know, we are 7 shooting.
Okay, dahan-dahan lang
More
tayo.
people relying on us when we go to these provinces and islands that we
So, tumama.
arrange things with. So it's a mess. So that's why
So, mamamatay na tayo. So, dapat hindi tayo dito sa mga babaitang yan.
Abaitang.
Sa mga babaitang nandyan. No! Tumama ba? Hindi. It's a miracle.
Philippine Airlines has canceled just now. So stay close. Good thing you're next to the airport.
Uy, mag-ikot ka na dyan.
Maybe see you in 5 minutes.
Ready ko na yung susunod kong gas can. Totoo kasi dapat patay yung mga ilaw eh. Tapos open lang
Typhoon
ito.
Christine struck the Philippines in a way that not many people were expecting. Each time we travel, we try to keep in touch with the locals and government agencies,
Gas can.
and we thought that it would bring some rain and pass, but
Ano
we
ko?
were wrong.
Parang
It
nagbubukas.
ended up inflicting severe damage across multiple regions. The storm resulted in some deaths and displaced hundreds of thousands of people. The Bicol region was particularly hard hit, especially now. The typhoon's heavy rainfall led to widespread flooding.
Wait, ano yung nangyari?
Still rebuilding
Tumama ako
as
sa
we
madaming
speak, so just try and contribute.
Nasira na yung harapan. Wala lang pakialam kahit maliit pa naman talaga yung height.
We are finally here.
Pero
Thankfully,
napaka...
most everyone has fared well during
I-upgrade ko muna.
This was not the case when Typhoon Ron
Matutulog
was
muna ako.
number 1 of 2020. But they have since become more
Oo,
prepared,
tatama tayo
and
sa
it's great to see
explain.
them bounce back so quickly. Iraq is conveniently located just a 3-hour road trip away from the mainland. However, it also has an airport located south of the island
yung
and
pangalawa nga
west of the
ang
Winding
nagkaroon.
Road network.
Boring
It's
nito.
ready to welcome lots of visitors, and I have a feeling it's going
Okay, tatawa tayo sa iceberg.
We have made it to Iraq. Finally, baby.
Wait lang, paano ako makakalis dito? Naglalag ba ako? Okay guys, naglag ata ako. Hindi ako makaalis.
Yeah, Manchester, he's our blonde dude. We usually don't bring him with us.
Okay guys, siguro gagawa lang ako part 4 nito kasi kung ano nangyari naman dito, ba't hindi ako makaalis. Okay guys,